Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show us some mistakes we need to avoid in our production room, most especially those of us that are into soap making or production of other chemicals and cleaning agents. So before I proceed, I would like you to watch this video down below to understand what I'm saying. So watch on the video and make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video so you understand what I'm saying and how to avoid these mistakes.
So my mom tried to make bar soap, not knowing for her it thing explode everywhere. Don't know. Hi, what a mess. What a mess.
I don't know the reason why the thing happened. Is it because the pot too small, or I don't know.
His own pot was big now.
I don't know if my pot is too small.
Jesus.
This is acid.
Acid.
Acid. See the way he's washing the pot. Are you not seeing it? I want to get in the pot and wash it out.
Hey. I think.
Send it to the man now. What is the video? Send it to him.
Okay.
You might not understand the meaning of the video you just watched now, but what happened there was as a result of using aluminium pot to produce soap. So it's a very big mistake that we need to avoid in our production room. Caustic soda do react with aluminium pot. Do not use aluminium pot for your soap production. Avoid aluminium pot as it can easily react with it and melt the aluminium pot down within a twinkling of an eye. So if you can see in the video, you see how the thing was overreacting. So this thing alone can even damage the person that is producing the soap. As it is exploding, it can splash on the body and damage the skin or even eye. So do well to avoid aluminium pot. If you want to produce soap, what is recommended for production of soap is stainless steel or iron pot. If you cannot get these two things, then you make use of your plastic rubber that we have at home than using aluminium pot, as it can easily react with soap. Another mistake again we need to avoid is testing chemicals with our tongue. There are people that are good at that. Let me test and know how it look like. Do not. Chemicals are not salt or seasoning cube, as it can affect us by mistakenly swallowing a piece. Most especially caustic soda is a very dangerous chemical. It is even more dangerous than acid or any other things. So avoid testing chemicals. Use the right thing that we need to use for testing of chemicals, like our hydrometer, our pH test and other things, depending the field they are in production of chemicals. Do not use your tongue to test chemicals. And that thing we need to avoid, most especially those that do allow children around them while during production of soap. Do not allow children to come around where you are producing or even enter your production room. That is why it's advisable that you build your production place outside your home. Demarcate them. Even if you are producing where there are people, you need to demarcate your production room. Make it a secret place. That is a private room. It's a place for serious business. Do not allow children to enter there, as they can easily come there and pick something and swallow. So it can cause their life or damage any part of their body. Again, remember to always wear your gadgets while producing. Wear your gadgets like your eyeglass, put on hand glove, wear boot and coat. This is to protect your body, because during production of soap there was always a flame. Even when you are dissolving caustic soda, for those of us that are in soap production, if you are dissolving caustic soda, you see that the thing used to produce heat on its own and it will be bringing out flame. That flame alone can affect our eyesight. So but when you put on your eyeglass, it will help you to protect you. And also your nose mask is very important for you not to inhale a different kind of corrosive odor. This alone can even cause asthma, or an asthmatic patient that perceive it can cause their life. So do well to protect yourself before starting production. Do not touch chemicals with your bare hand. Always wear your hand glove, is very important, and wear your boots too, as chemical can easily splash on your leg. It's for you to protect yourself. So if you enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more of our videos on tips on how to produce soap and other chemical production, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be posting different videos on how to make soap and other house cleaning agents that you can easily do from our home. So thank you for watching this video, and do well to subscribe.